My thoughts on the Trump Gold Card process. I'm not opposed to pursuing these cases, but down the line, I'm not going to be an attorney that's going to be one of the first ones applying for these because there just is too much uncertainty around almost all the aspects of this case, other than which website to go to apply, what the application fee is, and what form should a person fill out. There's just way too much uncertainty around this. So I'm keeping an eye on it, but I also want to see how some of the early adopters on this, how they fare and what happens with their cases. I do want to see what the litigation that will likely surround this, what that will look like and how the courts are dealing with this. Because in my opinion, I think that it's more likely than not, so more than 50%, that this will fail in court. That's my view on it. Something like this, an EB1, for example, or an EB2 case, those are laws that were passed by Congress. And this is an executive order. And he's basically just saying, hey, I've got an idea for this new type of immigration benefit or an immigration category, and I just want to fit it in under a current law. I think there's definitely a strong lawsuit by individuals that are already in the EB2 category or in the EB1 category saying, hey, wait a second, now all these other people are being added to this, and that's going to potentially make our wait time much longer. Those individuals would have standing for a lawsuit, and I think that as long as someone who brings the lawsuit has standing, then I think the chances of challenging this new executive order are pretty good. So those are my 2 cents. If you are considering this process, I think your attitude needs to be, I'm okay with losing $1 million. If you're going to invest this, you should have an amount of money that you're okay losing $1 million on this. If you have to scrimp and save and borrow from family members in order to do this process, I think it's highly risky. So I don't advise it, but I will be watching carefully to see what happens to the people that do pursue this, and I'll give updates as those come out. Take care.